Hi friends, so welcome back everyone to today's video. 15th December, and I must say you what a sell-off it was, what a crash. Hope you all were safe in managing the crash which happened suddenly after 3 o'clock. And from morning till 3 o'clock, Bank Nifty was completely sideways. It was really a day for us to mint a lot of money, the non-traditional traders, but there was absolute no decay at all. It was, I should say, market was preparing for this 3 o'clock crash. That is what I felt. Although we can't predict the movements before in hand, but something was cooking up. That is why you can see that there was no premium decay at all till 3 o'clock, and none of the straddles were giving good profits. In fact, there was no movement at all. The market was just moving within 150 range, less than up and down, and it was a good day for us to make good theta decay, being Wednesday as well. But unfortunately, there was no decay, and then ended up with a big crash. So I had to close my positions immediately. Hope you are all safe. And also, let me tell you, there are a few people who were doing straddles. They were just having chat with me, and they were all worried about what to do with straddles because in straddles, both the stop losses are being hit regularly. So, friends, we should not lose hope. These are the times when market is testing you. You just have to stay strong. One advice what I would give you is make sure your equity, that is, if your capital reduces by 10%, then instead of doing straddle, you can shift towards strangles. Okay, so strangles are nothing but a selling out of the money call and put. That is one thing which you can do, or otherwise, you can reduce your position size. If you're trading with two lot, you can trade with one lot or something like that, and then wait till the market becomes stable and then you can restart again your positions. But don't lose hope, don't go to change strategies. This is a testing time and market is really testing you, and many people are bound to change their strategy during this time thinking that the strategy is not going to work anymore and all those things. Okay, and if at all you're going to learn anything from my videos, this is one thing: sticking on to the same strategy. You can see, although I'm making losses, I'm not panicked. My losses are very very minimal, and I'm not changing my strategy. I'm still sticking to the strategy just because I have faith in the strategy. So if you need to have conviction in your strategy, please do your back test, and then you will get your conviction, you'll get your confidence. Okay, friends. So without wasting much time, let us look into today's trade video and understand how it went. So Bank Nifty today had opened almost sideways. You can say after that it was trying to come down. So I did not take my positions at 9:30 initially. I was just waiting for a pullback to happen, and once if the pullback happens, then we can go. Looking into the option analysis, option interest analysis, I can find that almost call and put are equally biased. A little higher call change is there, but almost put is also equal values, and then it indicates that the market is going to remain sideways. Looking at the strike values, there is no much of an importance because these are all near the ATM. But the far OTMs are all having very low open interest, so it doesn't make big significance. Only thing which I can see is the 37,000, which is going to add as a behave as a good resistance zone. As of now, I have not taken any positions. I am just waiting for Bank Nifty to have a pullback. And now you can see close to 10 o'clock, Bank Nifty has given a pullback and I entered my positions. I took 36,900 call and the put. Both were trading at a very good premium value of around 233 to 240. It's good enough for a Wednesday, and in case if you were getting a good premium DK, it would have been very nice profits, but unfortunately today it was a different story. Okay, now looking at the price action, we can find that there is an area where Bank Nifty has reversed, and this is 36,827. This is going to be an area where it's going to be of an importance. And looking at the higher side, we will wait for the indicator to change, super trend indicator to change. As of now, the RSI is almost showing a sideways direction, and we will wait for our areas to break and then we will enter. Okay, now you look at this point, friends. This is very important. As I told you, Bank Nifty has touched this point and reversed again. So once again, it is indicating that it's going to be an area of very important. I have not taken any position because it has not crossed and gone down. It has just taken a reversal. So we will just wait for it to break out, or otherwise we'll wait for the upper side breakout to happen. Okay, so now time close to 11:30, you can see the upper breakout has happened, and that is why in the RSI also indicating it is above 60. I sold the put option because we know that when the market goes up, we sell the put option, and when the market comes down, we sell the call option. So I sold the put option at 188, expecting the market will continue going up. If it goes up from now, at this point we will be making very good profits, because the call and the put are almost equal, and then the additional put will give us very good profits. Yes, but as you can see, Bank Nifty has once again started to reverse. This has been the story from past few days. Now you can see Bank Nifty has reversed completely, and it has even touched our super trend indicator. Two of my indicators have shown that it is market has reversed. So once again I had to sell the call option. So I sold the call option, and now you can see I have become once again delta neutral, because I am expecting the market to remain sideways. So I have two calls and two puts which are there as of now, and market, if it remains sideways, will be in very good profits. Yeah. So time is close to 2 o'clock as of now, and then you can see market is just moving sideways. No signs of any uptrend or downtrend, but you can see the zigzag movement. Might be this is the reason why there was no much premium decay, because it was continuous zigzag movements, and we are at almost no loss no profit kind of situation. You can see after 12 o'clock I have not done any adjustment, just waiting for the market to give any direction. Okay, now the real problem, the real pain started at 3 o'clock. Till then everything was fine. We were waiting for a good Wednesday finish. You can see the put change has happened, expecting the market to crash down, the market to pick up. That is what the bias was. The put was on the higher side, so everyone expecting the market to go up. But close to 3 o'clock you can see the panic selling has happened. The indicators have shown a negative bias. RSI reached close to 40, and it's almost 3 o'clock. There's no point fighting with the market, so I'm just closing all my positions. If this sudden crash would have not happened, we would have been a very good profit today as well. So you might say me, why not close the positions early? Friends, most of the time the decays happens majority at the end of the day. That is why I keep waiting till end of the day, but unfortunately a few days like this will be there when we will miss it out, but that's okay, part and parcel of trading. And today also we were lucky enough to close the position early. After 3 o'clock market continued to go down, and then there were huge losses for many people who held on and who tried to adjust the positions. Okay friends, so this is all about today's trade, and hope you like the adjustments, hope you like the trade as well. A very good day for a non-rational trader, but unfortunately the premiums did not support us. Part and parcel, we just have to wait for another good day, nothing else. And mind you, drawdown phase, as I told you already, don't give up, just stay in the trade, just stick to your plan, and you will see the results very soon. Thank you and have a nice day.